So what you get for Valentine? What? True? Me said not Trevor nothing get me nothing, nothing the $2 something where you can't find a Walmart, nothing, empty and nothing. Watch this now. Yeah?
Get off the phone, baby.
I'm gonna call you back. This now.
This is for you, baby. Me know I'm a little late on the Valentine's thing, but me have planned something special. You like it? Smell it?
It's nice.
It's nice one. Oh, I may have chocolate for you.
Oh,
But me eat the chocolate, so we just full it back with crackers, you know?
so dry crackers.
No, me know you like your crackers, you know, Maxine. It's a nice Valentine's. Remember, it's the thought that counts.
Yes.
So you like it?
Yes, I like it.
I mean, no, you must did that, so me never did I go buy you nothing, you know?
No, yeah.
And that you did that thing?
Yeah.
No, man, Maxine, you know, me did just get caught up, cause first me that say, you know, me should have buy Maxine something nice. And me that think about some blouse. But then me I say, Maxine have whole heap of blouse, so me just get you that. Yes. But me really like your flower. Put your flower, yeah? You got to get your flowers, it's gonna look good for you. You should have put in some water.
Okay,
so,
yeah.
Cause you look dead now. Shit, you
yeah,
look like one of them drop off in your pocket. You look like you drop off in a Maxine, but he good man, same way. So you like it?
Yes, me like it. Me love it.
Good man, good.
Me love it still.
Yo, you know get me nothing though.
Me get you something.
You get me something?
Yes, yes. Oh my God, yes, me get you something.
You get me something for real?
It's in the car.
Yeah. In the car?
Yeah, yes. Me have to go get it.
You know me think you never get me now.
Me have to go get it, Trevor. Yes.
Go off it, me not going nowhere.
Okay,
go
on.
Run, give me this.
Okay, what?
Alright,
Eat that crackers still.
Alright, me go and eat that crackers. Hurry up, Maxine. You're so silly.
Full time now, man, go through the door, you know.
Jody.
Andrew. What's wrong with your lip?
Oh, it's still up from last night when you kissed me. But yo, your father never catch me there, so me jump through the window and go out later. Whoosh, disappear. Why, that bad?
Yes, you look like an ape.
You still love me though?
Yes, you're my little monkey.
Ah, if you go doctor still though.
You need to get that checked out for real.
Christ. I want to go say now about Valentine. Valentine done. It must have done. So what am I going to say? Rasclat. I go say them teeth it. Them done the store? Them teeth it. I go tell them them teeth it. I go say me left in here, it done. Them teeth it. Yes. I go tell them. Trevor, guess what? Me say, Trevor, me going out the car. The people them not teeth out the thing them when me buy. Big something when me buy for you. Big Valentine, I say, Lord. Look there.
Maxine.
Everything. Take out.
Out that driveway?
Yes. Everything take out. Big balloon me buy. Me I'll buy panty. Yes. Take out. Then take it out, Trevor. What me for do now?
Maxine, so thief come in a full driveway.
Yes, and that me say.
Andrew.
What you mean?
Maxine and Moss Andrew. I may only somebody will come round here to the house here. He have to be him.
So me have to go call him and
You have to see Jody in a panty them.
What you?
You have to see Jody in a panty them. But speaking of Jody, you know, say Sheppy son come over today.
Alright.
No, I come over today, Maxine. Me say me excited, you see? Jesus Christ.
No, say Jody like him.
No, man. Jody like anybody, man. You know Jody still standard not so high enough. I look at Andrew.
Oh, God.
If in there Andrew, you know, must can't date anybody, Maxine.
Well, I want to know where go on.
Me tell Jody said they have money, you know.
I go.
they have money.
Good.
Sheppy son, are good people, they Maxine, you know.
Alright, me ready.
And a God-fearing people, and they go church.
Yes.
And that we need to put in a Jody head.
Yes.
Jody need to go church.
Yes. I'm gonna start take her.
Jody, and we are going to baptize her.
Yeah.
Because remember, we never go there when she did baptize.
Yeah. She got baptized.
She possessed, you know, Maxine, you feel so?
She might. We're gonna take her.
You remember my day when you left me with Jody
Mm-hmm.
around 6 years ago?
Mm-hmm.
You know, me drop Jody, I look like say that.
I know you tell me.
Maxine, me have to confess, because I feel like I'm my fault now, me Jody so good.
True. I feel your fault, yes.
And he drop on the mat, you know, so. But Maxine, me no know, me just hope Sheppy son really like her, you know, because I know Jody I don't like anybody, but we will see.
It's not work out.
Well, 100 if you present them.
I go find out. Yeah.
We must catch him.
Yeah.
Maxine, I'm here running belly when I catch him, you see?
That's crazy.
Watch me and him.
We make a narrow escape last night. Your father couldn't catch me. Fast like bolt.
You was probably still downstairs.
True.
Exactly.
But you're gone. Just come over here for heal you. In the morning, I got a doctor now. Come mother, I wait for me. So I care about later go over the house.
Okay.
Come over, yeah?
No, seriously, you need to go get that checked out. Like, yeah, like ASAP.
Alright.
Later.
Hey, Mr. Trevor.
Sheppy son, nice to see you, man.
I've been waiting for this day.
Come in.
Okay.
What you talking about? Come in, man. You can't hold a seat anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah, man, make yourself at home, man. Make yourself at home, man. Me happy to see you, see Jody!
Where is she?
She soon come, man. She soon. You can take off your bag, man. Take off your bag.
Yeah, you're right.
You hungry? You eat already?
No.
Me we cook some food, you know.
What do you cook?
No, me cook anything, man. What you feel like?
You guys got burgers in there?
Burgers?
Yeah.
No, me do it for you, man. Jody! Yeah, man, me do it for you. Yo, is a nice little girl, let's see.
I'm dying to see her.
Trust me,
You've been always telling me every time I see her at church, oh my God, I get so nervous.
No, you bring her to church in here.
Yeah, but you don't bring her anymore.
No, listen, no. See, one you to come here named Andrew. Me not like him none at all. So, you want you take her away from him.
Oh, that's gonna be stolen. I told you.
You're the right man for the job. Jody!
Where is she?
Yes.
She come. Oh, see her come here. Somebody for your meet. Me I gonna leave on the toe to it. Me I go there upstairs. Gorgeous, I know. Gorgeous. Jody, come, Jody. Me I gonna leave on the to it. Check this on. Come sit down. Me soon come back here and enjoy myself here.
Come check this son.
Joe.
I'm never washing his hand.
My boy, my son-in-law. All right, Jody.
Your hair's so pretty.
Thank you.
But you know you could do it better than that. Yeah.
What's wrong with my hair?
I mean it's okay. I'm not gonna diss you like that, but your hair could be better. Have you been to a salon lately?
Yeah, that's what
I mean, like, I can take you to the top class where Michael Jackson got his hair done.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, I know a lot of links.
Oh.
Yeah. My dad used to say that word, so I say it now.
Okay.
So you have a boyfriend? You have a boyfriend?
Kinda. Yeah, I kinda do. Why are you here again?
You sure you got a boyfriend? Because last time I told you that your dad told me that you don't have a boyfriend. Is that true?
I think I got a boyfriend.
You know what? I'm gonna. Yeah, give me one second. I'm so nervous. You should do your hair.
Oh, okay.
I know it's not much, but it's something. I could always give you more.
No, that's fine. I can get stuff done with this.
Oh my God! Somebody's gonna break in the house.
No.
I'm gonna call cops.
No. That's my friend. I'll go talk to him.
You sure?
No, I'll go talk to him.
Jody, hold on.
What are you doing here?
Who is man that up?
I'm gonna call the cops.
Relax.
Oh God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die here.
youth, you know how we are.
Check son! Andrew! Where you going?
Jody, how ain't gone?
Who, Sheppy son?
Yeah.
Oh, he said he had to do something. He's gonna come back.
You might come back here today?
Yeah.
You like him?
Of course, yeah, I do.
Me see it in your face. Me tell you a better boy if you enjoy, you know.
I think so, to be honest.
You feel it?
We're going on a date soon.
Yeah, you might go on date?
Yeah.
Maxine! Jesus Christ! Long time me I tell you. Look how you never want him. Look how you never want him, Jody. He have money, you know.
I know.
Then loaded. Yes,
He
Jody.
gave me some money to my hair and my nails.
See if you can give you money.
Yeah.
Give me something out of there, man. Give me something out of money there, man. But when you say him come back,
Yeah, he come back.
alright, no tell your mother saying give you no money
I'm
because
not.
you know she gonna beg out the money. But give me something out of here.
I got you.
Alright, Jody. Jody, you really like him for true?
Yes, Dad. At least I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty?
I'm thirsty.
Alright, go and go drink something, man. Cause you can't come back here and see you thirsty, you know. Alright, yeah, Jody later.
Okay, Dad. Okay.
Where your father then?
Relax.
See boy get ready fast, you fuck.
Relax.
What am I doing over here?
My dad invited him over. We was talking business.
You see your father don't like me, you know. If me never catch him in bed. Never call you best for your father. Where my gear, man?
Hey, my dad's home. Let me go get your shirt.
You don't come back over here later.
You got
Go get the water.
Go.
Alright, later you bill.
Okay.
Let's
We'll
still love me.
talk about it later.
Alright. But then there's some more. Be later.
Go back.
You're roughy, man.
Maxine, wake up. Asleep, you're asleep? Good news, Maxine. Good news.
Good news.
Me know there is a God up there, you know.
Amen.
I love him, I love him, I love him. Maxine,
Yes.
we have got to church.
What one,
Good news, Maxine. Me happy as he, Maxine. Me happy as he. Sheppy son, they just downstairs. You know Jody saying really like him?
Sheppy, him really come? Oh.
He really come. Jody say she love him. Maxine, me looking at Jody eyes and I see love.
Wow.
Maxine, I see love. Like Jody, I plan to marry him one day, Maxine. So we have to go buy a
That's
suit.
true.
Come here, guy,
Right.
wedding, you know. See, Maxine, me happy for them, you see?
Yes.
He sweet me now. Cause Andrew can't come back over here.
You think so?
No, he can't come back over here, Maxine. Jody is in love. Me, I tell you, when Jody say, Sheppy son, the way she say it, me can tell Maxine, and me see it in her eyes. She ready to get pregnant for Sheppy son.
Oh, Lord, so far, so
No, she can't do what she do, man. A Sheppy son, man. A good boy, man. Remember, a church going boy, you know.
Yes.
A church going boy. Happy, you see, Maxine?
Oh, say work out.
Hui! Me don't know why me so happy. Me want peace though. Me soon come back. Me say, Maxine, me happy, you see?
God, God.
We get rid of Andrew.
They're gonna work out still.
It's gonna work out.
Yes.
Maxine, how are them gonna name them baby? Sheppy son Pitney?
Yeah.
Jesus!
Sheppy son Junior, Sheppy son the third.
Anything from Andrew and him there, me alright with it.
Sheppy son.
Maxine, me alright with it.
Sheppy
Me
son.
I got peace, me soon come back here.
Alright.
Yeah, you done the crackers them when me get this morning.
There's something look a bit left.
You left?
Yeah.
Alright, me happy and come back for them.
Alright.
Maxine, me say me happy, you see? We get rid of Andrew.
Sheppy
Finally.
son. Sheppy son.
Sheppy son. Maxine, you say it nice?
It's nice still.
Me I got peace, yeah?
Alright.
You chat too much more happy Spanish. Alright, me soon come back for the crackers.
Alright, yeah, come back.
Me I left it open.
Close it and come back.
Close it.
Come
Maxine,
in.
me I left it open.
Okay.
Maxine, you know, look like me but I want peace, you know.
Yeah, come in. Come in. Come in. Come in. Come in, yeah.
Ball over, me could go
Alright.
make a baby in idea. Maxine, me say me happy, you see? Hold on, let me phone a ring. Who this up? Oh, Sheppy son. Hello?
Mr. Trevor, I can't come back to your house no more.
What?
There's some guy named Andrew ran me out of the house. Jody let him in.
I hear something. I should call you back.
Trevor, what?
I should be son.
What?
You know, say Jody let in Andrew fi kill him, Licoil.
And let him say what? You're sure? What him say? What him say?
Jody let in Andrew fi kill him. Him have to run. And Jody tell me say nothing no go on, Licoil, you know. Maxine go talk to your daughter, cause me done.
Alright.
Me done.
You're done.
Jody finish me, no Maxine.
She didn't.
Me done.
Trevor, move one side, let me go talk to her.
Maxine roll over, me can't move here no Maxine.
Trevor, move your foot, let me go talk to her.
Maxine, me done, you know.
You done
Maxine, me give up on Jody now, you know.
You didn't. Come.
Maxine, me give up on Jody, I
Alright,
swear, Maxine.
take this next foot.
Trevor son did give some money. Take it from him. Maxine, Jody, wicked. Move this way about my foot. Go on.
Your foot broke already, you know.
Maxine, what we are going to do?
I gotta talk to her. Talk to her?
Go on, go talk to her.
Alright, come. Get out
Maxine
of bed.
made her at me, you know.
Yes, come.
Maxine made her at me, you know.
Yes, come get out of bed, Trevor. I'm gonna talk to her. Go
Yeah,
to
come
bed?
back.
Yeah, my son come back.
Make it last study there.
Yeah.
Bring me some tea when you come back.
Alright, take a nap. A nap.
Jody, wicked, you know, Maxine.
Take a nap. Jody, what go on? You know, listen, you know, man. What go on with you?
What does it know?
What is your father tell me about Sheppy's son, Andrew and thing? What's up? The boy try kill him?
Sheppy called daddy?
I must that, me don't know, yes.
Okay, mom. Look, so me and Sheppy's son was downstairs talking business.
Business? Which business you have?
We're just talking. We're just talking. How about, I guess he ended up giving me a little bit of money to get my hair done and my nails done. And Andrew peeping through the window like peeping Tom and see that and started overreacting. And I go to the window to see why he's here and try to calm him down, and everything just escalated and he would run down the man down the street.
Oh my God. Guess what? I'm tired of this man. I'm tired.
I don't
Andrew,
know.
them are wear me out. Guess what? Sheppy's son is a good looking boy. Nice things could have gone with him. And guess what? You gotta get over Andrew, you know. You gotta move past him. Guess what? First love, first whatever. You gotta move on. You have to look about different things. Sheppy's son is a nice looking boy and give you money. Me hear about that.
Yeah, he only gave me like 700.
Only. Peel me off something now. Me need my foot do.
Oh, we can go together.
Okay, together we
I do need
going.
my nails done to try a different color. So just let me know when you're ready.
We ready now. I have to go deal with your father, but let that Andrew boy alone now. You got alright, me I tell you. You got alright. I tell you. I have to go deal with your father because him a going like same sick now hear about this, so I have to go talk to him.
Dad's just overreacting.
You
Alright,
too.
Mom.
Mr. Singh, what go on?
Come on, Andrew.
Me there, you know.
You behave yourself.
No, you know, so me have a little catty and she has stress me.
Oh, God, man.
Today me go over your house, you know, Mr. Singh. I know say a man me run out there. She don't
So
know
where
how
you
me
do?
hurt, man. Me running down with me spoon and kill me, should I kill the boy?
Spoon?
Yeah, me spoon, you know, me always trap with the spoon, man. But the boy run fast, man, me couldn't catch him.
You know him?
Capri Son. Yes, Capri Son. I saw your name, Capri Son. But I feel like woman are going to left me now. Me don't know what to do. I'm stressed, Mr. Singh.
Let me tell you what you do.
Yeah.
You have to breathe her.
Boy, me not
Me
too
have-
advanced in a sex thing, you know. Me I try it still.
Alright, this what you do. You use it, put on your condom,
Yeah.
bust the little top part,
Man, that complicated, man. Waste money, boss condom for I might as well.
and then breathe her. She gonna love you. Me have 10 baby mother. They love me.
Alright, so me not go wear no condom. Condom too expensive for
Alright,
boss.
if she don't care about no condom, don't wear no condom. But breathe her. Have a baby.
Alright, Mr. Singh.
And then she will never leave you.
Alright, Mr. Singh.
And teach you.
Alright. They get money for some pampers and thing they do.
Pampers.
Yeah, you know say me if you go breed.
Me not no money. Just continue and do your thing.
Alright, Mr. Singh, you come on, yeah?
Alright, sir.
Me come and she chuck you come on.
Alright.
Alright.
Girl, I was gonna say, why you not answering my phone? Best friend, guess what? Sus, let me tell you about my day. Okay, so listen. So, you remember I told you about Sheppy's son, the one that my dad tried to put me down with? Girl, he's not gay. Comes to find out. Bitch, he gave me money to do my hair and my nails. He got money.
Oh, Andrew about to get the boot.
Listen, guess what? He's giving me money to do my hair and my nails, and Andrew sees through the window and like start acting crazy. Tell me why I open the door to talk to him, and he runs this nigga out the house, down the street. He ends up Sheppy's son end up calling my dad. I don't even think he's coming back. That's done.
He's that scary?
Listen, at this point,
Can't do anything.
what? Andrew different.
He has money.
He does. Andrew kind of broke.
You get your hair done, your nails done. Clearly, I'm not teaching you right.
You right. I need a little bit more lessons though. But still, Andrew.
No, we have to look at the bigger picture. You're young, honey. I'm trying to teach you something.
You sound like my dad at this point. But like, yo, today's just been crazy. I'm so tired. Listen, I'm gonna call you later, alright?
Yeah, girl. I'm gonna finish doing this. I'll talk to you later.
Alright, love, later.
I'm back.
What's up?
Where mother and father?
Oh, in the room. What happened?
My friend need that talk. I'm gonna forgive you if you cheat for me still, you know. You that fucking Capri Sun boy in it. It's alright.
I wasn't cheating, babe. I was just trying to get you jealous. That's it.
Well, me jealous. You hurt my heart.
It's okay. Give me a hug. I get a kiss?
No, the doctor said me can't do that lip and lip something, you know. My lip just go down to. Me can't afford to eat bus walk again.
Whatever. Why are you looking like that? What's the problem?
No, some boom boom. A long time me not get none.
What that mean?
Me really want to have sex now with.
What that mean?
That lock off?
Yeah.
No, this something I run. The blood.
Yes, it's been turned off. I wasn't. Oh, so you ready?
Long time.
Oh, so you ready? Already ready now.
Long time.
It's okay.
You ain't got it.
It's okay.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Wait.
Look off the light.
Hold on. Wait. Okay, stop.
Let me out. We have no way up with. Oh, hey, let me go in. Oh, you pull me.
Relax.
Pull me.
Relax.
Me can't breathe. My casca fucking. Pull it up.
Claustrophobic?
Help.
Say it with me. Claustrophobic.
Yes. Shit. Hold on, let me catch him breath. Me dizzy. Me will lie down a little bit. Oh, go.
Andrew. Are we not gonna have sex?
Hold on, 1 minute. Me that spin same way. I think me lock off the circulation we are go to it. Oh God. Me as well?
No.
Alright, come, ride me.
But I don't want to use this.
We don't have to, baby.
Are you sure?
Come on. I breathe me for breathe, you know. You can't make Capri Sun take over.
I'm ready for a kiss.
Yes, man, come, tell me.
I think I ain't know the name. Relax.
You're not going yet. Oh, yeah.
Relax.
False alarm, you're not going yet.
I think I want to name it boy or girl.
Wait, what?
I want to name it boy or girl. If it's a boy, I want it to name boy. If it's a girl, I want it to name girl. That's not smart?
Yeah.
We don't have to... Okay.
Want a June?
No, what?
Hey, man, you broke it. How you do?
Oh.
Oh.
Hold on. What is that?
Oh.
What is that?
Hello.
What is that?
Hey. Oh. Oh. What I did it now.
Okay.
Ah, take it time, take it time, take it.
I'm done.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Andrew. 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 Shoot. Andrew.
Good morning, baby. Hmm? Yo! Wagwan everybody. I know a long time you don't hear me talk to you like this and thing, but guess what? I'm about to start vlog back again. So if you don't want to keep up to date with what we are going with me and Famous and everybody else in the cast or whatever project me I work on, you can follow the vlog page right now, Trabass TV vlog. No vlog not up on it now, but me have a video come and explain everything. So stay tuned. I'm mad thing we're gonna take a break. We are working on a movie next, so you can look out for that. Thanks for your love and support. Click the like button and thing. Mad.